Why does this method help when others have not helped in the long term? What is the secret? There is no secret. The Alexander Technique method revealed to me the real cause of my suffering. I was unconsciously pulling myself out of balance in everything I did, even the simplest tasks like sitting, standing, and even when sleeping. For a long time I was wondering why I was doing this and make my life so difficult for myself. Today I know that it's not my fault. Nobody taught me how to take care of my body and mind to stay healthy until I got in contact with the Alexander Technique. Such fundamental changes in the use of the biomechanical design of the human body takes time and motivation, curiosity, and a willingness to discover new things. With the right tools and a successful method, you can start today to experience yourself and your everyday life with more power and less pain. I'm always available to support you on this journey. Whether you have questions, uncertainties, or want to share your experiences, the time for change is now. If you are ready to leave chronic pain behind and live a life full of energy and vitality, then get in touch with me today.